Now worksheet 2. In question number 1, a following table is given where A and B are varied inversely and we have to find the missing words. Clearly, it is an inverse variation. It is an inverse variation. Firstly, we have to find the constant of variation. Therefore, constant of variation, namely k is equal to a multiply b. We have discussed that the constant of variation in the case of inverse variable is the product of 2. Here we will write a1 and b1. Therefore, k is equal to 7 into 8. K is equal to 56. Now, similarly, we have to find the corresponding pairs. Therefore, also k is equal to a2 into b2. K is 56 is equal to a2 is not known, a2, and b2 is 4. Cancel it according to your name. Also, k is equal to the third pair a3 b3. a3 multiply b3. a3 is 56. a3 is 28. 28 into b3. b3 is equal to 28 to 56. Therefore, thus we have the following. Similarly, we can do the remaining two questions of this question number 1. Here, in the next question, is given that a science teacher asked the student of class A to make a project report on pollution. When 10 students work on it, the work gets finished in 3 days. How many students are required so that the work finished in 2 days? साइंस टीचर है, वो किसी प्रोजेक्ट को बनाने के लिए दिए पोल्यूशन पे क्लास 8 के स्टूडेंट्स को. तो 10 स्टूडेंट्स अगर उस काम को स्टार्ट किया तो लोगों को 3 डेज लगा कंप्लीट होने. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द वर्क फिनिश इन 2 days? Let the number of in the solution part we will write let the required number of students are x. Now firstly we will do some rough work just as to understand when the 10 students are involved in this project report, the work finished in 3 years. When x students are involved, then it will completed in 2 days. Which variation is this? It is direct or inverse? Observe that then when the number of students are changing, it is 10 and x, and when the number of hours, number of days is changing, it is decreases. Number of days is decreases, then it is automatically increases, then it is a case of inverse variation. Thus we will form a table as previous worksheet to summarize the question. Here, number of students and the time taken. Time is in days. Number of students for 10, then work will finish in 3 days, and then the number of students are X, then work get completed in 2 days. Now clearly it is an inverse variation. Clearly it is an inverse variation. It is an inverse variation. Then it will be multiplied. We have discussed in the previous worksheet or the introduction part. Then the constant of variation in case of inverse variation is the product. K is equal to A1 B1. A1 multiply B2. Also K is equal to A2 B2. Here the K is constant, so we can equate it as A1 B1 equal to A2 B2. Then in order to solve this word problems, we don't have to write this K. We can use directly by this. Here our question is given tan multiply 3 is equal to x multiply 2. Solve according to your convenient. Tan 5 is 15, 5 3 is 15. This is x. Therefore, x is equal to 15. So we can here 15 students can complete that work in 2 days. We have to write in the statement form also. Therefore, the required number of students is equal to 50. Our next question is that running at an average speed of 40 km per hour, a bus completes a journey in 4.2 hours. कोई बस है 40 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस से पर आवर के स्पीड से 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर के स्पीड से कोई डिस्टेंस को 4.1/2 आवर्स में कंप्लीट करता है. How much time will be the return journey if the speed is increased to 45 km? रिटर्न जर्नी जो है वो 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड का हो गया. What will be the time? Let the time taken be x. Let the time taken of the return journey be x. So we can write in solution part. Let the time taken will be x r. Format our table. Just we have the formation of this table is just to summarize the question and to understood the question very well. Speed, it is in kilometer per hour, and the time taken in hour. Speed is 40 km per hour and the time taken is 4.1/2 hour, that is 9.5 hour, 9/2, and the speed is 45 km per hour, time taken is x. It is understood that whenever we will increase our speed, the time must be taken less. Speed is increased, then time will be decreased. Just because distance is constant, speed is increased 40 to 45, then the time will always decreases. This is the case of inverse variation. Clearly, it is an inverse variation. Therefore, we will multiply both as previous question is equal to 45 multiplied by x. Solve this. 2 20 times 9 5 the 45, this 5 4 the 20. Thus we will form x is equal to 4. Therefore, the bus will take 4 hours to return to it. Is it clear? Our next question is that Disha cycles to her school at an average speed of 12 km per hour. It takes her 20 minutes to reach the school. And besides that, he traveled to his school with a speed of 20 km per hour, and she will take 20 minutes. 20 minutes to reach the school. If she wants to reach school in 15 minutes, what should be that her average speed? वो चाहती है कि वो स्कूल 15 मिनट में पहुंच जाए, तो उसका स्पीड को क्या होना चाहिए? उसका स्पीड, let the speed be x. Solution that the speed should be x. Thus we have will form a table. Speed in kilometer per hour, and the time is in minute. Here we have not changed the units just because the same unit will be cancelled. You may write that let the speed should be x kilometer per hour as, okay. Now speed is 12 km per hour, and the time should be time taken is 20 minutes. It is minutes written is there, no need to write again and again. And the new speed should be x, then the time taken will be 15 minutes. Here we will understand this whether it is a problem of direct variation or inverse variation. Just consider the case whenever we have to reach anywhere by less time, we have to increase our speed. अगर हम लोगों को कहीं जल्दी पहुंचना है तो हम लोगों को स्पीड को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. There one quantity is increases, therefore another quantity will be decreases. Well, we have to take this is as a case of inverse variation. Clearly, it is an inverse variation. Thus we have 12 multiplied 20 is equal to x into 50. Solve. 12 into 20 equal to x into 15. Cancel it by 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, this 3 4 is 12. 4 into 4, 16 is equal to x, or x will be 16. Therefore, the speed of Disha should be 16 km per hour. Is it clear? Our next question is that if 15 men can repair a road in 24 days, how long will it take to 9 men to repair the same road? How long? That means we have to find the time. Firstly, we will write as let the time taken be x. Let the time taken be x. Thus we have form a table. Thus we have number of men, time taken. Number of men is 15 men. Can finish the work in 24 days. We have taken how much time? Then it is divided by 9 men. 9 men we have written it. Now consider the case whether what is the condition here? Which variation is this? Here less number of men is involved to finish the work. Less number of work, then time will be increases. First quantity is decreases, the other quantity must be increases, because the less man can take more time. Less man can take more time in this situation. Then it is a case of inverse variation. Clearly, it is an inverse variation. Here we can write by the product is constant. Cancel it by 3 times 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15. This 3 makes it 24. Then x is equal to 8 5 is 40. Therefore we have to write it into statement form. Therefore 9 men can take 40 days to finish the 40 days to repair the board. Is it clear? Now our next question is that if 30 goats can graze a field in 15 days, then how many goats will graze the same field in 10 days? Let the number of goats will be x, and you will find the tabular in tabular form. Clearly, it is a case of inverse variation because the time taken is less, then the number of goats will be increasing. 30 goats is taken 15 days. The number of we are told x, then it is 10. Form a table and solve by your is clear? Here our next question is that question number 7, in which a contractor with a workforce of 420 men can complete a work of construction of a building in 9 months. 420 men can complete a building in 9 months. Due to the request by the owner, he was asked to complete the job in 7 months. He was asked to complete in 7 months. That means the time taken is less. How many extra men he must employ to complete the job? It is to be consider the case and the point that the answer is asked to how many extra, not the number of workers to complete that job. Number of extra men involved to complete the job. Let the number of extra men will be x. Solution: let the number of extra men is equal to x. Thus we have from the table. Thus we have number of men and time. Number of men was 420 in first case, and the time taken is 9 months. Now the number of men is 420 plus x. X men is extra men. X men is increased to complete the work in 7. Is it clear? That it is not the x is not the total number of men to finish the work. X is the number of extra men to complete the job. It is an inverse variation. Clearly, it is an inverse variation. Therefore, 420 multiplying 9 is equal to 420 plus x multiplied by 7. This will be in bracket form because it is a binomial. Now solve with this 420. You can multiply it by 9090. 420 multiply 7 plus 7x. Write down it here. This is 3780. 3780 is equal to 70 7 to the 15 7 to the 20 times 29 plus 7x. Now 7x is equal to 3780 minus 2940. 7x is equal to subtracted by 40. 17 minus 8, this is 3, 1, 58. X is equal to 1, 7 in the 7, 1, 4, 20. This is 20. This is not a 20. Therefore, 120 extra main is required to complete the job. Therefore, the number of extra main is equal to 120. Our next question is question number 8, in which the question is states that Uday can finish a book in 25 days if he reads 18 pages every day. Uday, he has a book, है जिसमें से कोई अगर वो 18 पेजेस एवरी डे पढ़ता है तो वो 25 डेज में उसको कंप्लीट करता है. इफ ही वांट्स टू, हाउ मेनी डेज विल इट टेक टू फिनिश इफ ही रीड्स 15 पेजेस एवरी डे. अगर वो 15 पेज डेली पढ़े तो कितने दिन में कंप्लीट होगा? लेट द टाइम टेकन बी x, लेट द टाइम टेकन बी x. देन it will take 25 days by reading 18 pages a day. Let it taken by x days if we read 15 pages a day. It is a case of point up table form. Solve according to your convenience. Clearly, it is a case of inverse variation because the number of pages is decreases, then the number of days must be increases. In next question, a shopkeeper has enough money to buy 40 books, each costing rupees 125. कोई शॉपकीपर है जो 40 बुक्स खरीद सकता है, इतना पैसा उसके पास है, जिस बुक का एक बुक का दाम 125 रुपए है. How many books he can buy if he gets a discount of rupees 25 on each book? अगर बुक एक बुक पे 25 रुपए का उसको डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है तो अब कितना बुक खरीद सकता है? Here we find it by directly in the tabular form, also by using some statement or after simplification the question. We will do by simplification of question. Here, cost of book. We are discussing about the case 2. Cost of book is equal to rupees 125. Discount. It is the case of this. Discount rupees 25. Therefore, new price, new cost of book rupees 125 minus rupees 25. Now, go to the main format of the question. Now, let he can buy X books. Or you can write that let the number of books bought is equal to x also. Thus we have number of books, cost of one book. Number of books you can find it by 50 books, the pricing rupees 125. Now if you can buy X books by costing rupees 100, it is discounted. 25 rupees is discounted, and you may solve this question from there also. Let's he can buy X books, and you have to write 125 minus X. When you don't want to write this part of the answer, then you can write let he can buy X books, or the second part, as the second statement also is available, then let the number of books bought is equal to X. Thus we have number of books 40 and the cost of one book 125, number of books is X, and you can write 125 minus X, 125 minus 25. As previous question, the number of X extra main case. here we will observe that the number of books is 40, then the number of cost of book is 125. When the cost of one book is 100, then the number of books will be increased. Then it is a case of inverse variation. Clearly, it is a case of clearly it is an inverse variation. Inverse variation. So we can write that by multiplicative from 40 into 125 is equal to x into 100. 40 into 125 x into 100. Solve by 25 4 the 25 5 the 4 is again cancelled by 14 the 40 x is equal to 15. Therefore we can buy 50 books. Therefore the number of required books is equal to 50. Our next question is question number 10. Here 6 pumps working together empty a tank in 28 minutes. कोई एक टैंक है जिसको खाली करने के लिए 6 स्टेप्स जो है उसको कितना टाइम लगता है 28 minutes. Now how long will it take to empty the tank if the 4 such pumps are working together? कितना पंप्स जो है वो उसको खाली करने में कितना टाइम लगाएगा जब 4 such pipes are working together. 4 pipes लगाया तो कितना टाइम में खाली होगा? हम मान लेते हैं x मिनट लगाएगा. Let the time taken be x. So we can write it by our tabular form. That what will be we have to suppose. Let the time taken be x minute. Here write down number of pumps and the time taken. Number of pumps is 6, time taken is 28 minutes. Number of pumps is 4, time taken is x minute. Clearly it is a case of inverse variation because here the less number of pumps are involved, then time must be increases. सोचने वाली बात है, अगर 6 पंप इसको खाली कर रहा है तो 28 मिनट लगता है, तो 4 पंप करे तो कुछ तो ज्यादा लगेगा. That is, it is a inverse variation. Do yourself. Now, question number 11. A train moving at a speed of 75 km per hour covers a certain distance in 4.8 hours. कोई ट्रेन है जो 75 किलोमीटर पर आवर के स्पीड से ट्रेवल कर रहा है, एक डिस्टेंस को 4.8 आवर में कंप्लीट करता है. What should be the speed of the train to cover the same distance in 3 hours? इसी सेम डिस्टेंस को 3 आवर्स में कंप्लीट करने के लिए क्या स्पीड होना चाहिए ट्रेन का? Let the speed of the train will be x kilometer per hour. We have already done this question. Let the time speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Formulate in a tabular form. Speed of train in kilometer per hour. Time taken in hour. What is the speed of train? 75 km per hour. Time taken is 4.8 hour. What is the speed of the train in the section case? You have supposed x and the time taken is 3. Suppose that the same distance we have to travel in less time. Firstly, in first case, the train covers the distance in 4.8 hours. But in the second case, the train has to cover the same distance in 3 hours. That means in the less time, then we must have to increase our speed. Speed को बढ़ाना होगा. Then it is a case of inverse variation. So you can do this by yourself. Now the next and the last question of this worksheet is that question number 2, in which a garrison of 120 men has provision for 30 days. कोई एक ग्रुप है जिसमें राशन पानी जो है प्रोविजन जो है 30 डेज के लिए है कि 120 मैन वहाँ पे रह सकता है, सस्टेन कर सकता है, उसका खाना पानी राशन वगैरह है। एट द एंड ऑफ 5 डेज, 5 दिन के बाद 5 मोर मैन ज्वाइन कर, 5 दिन के बाद 5 और आदमी उसमें ऐड हो गया। हाउ मेनी डेज कैन द सस्टेन ऑन द रिमेनिंग प्रोविजन। अब जो आदमी बढ़ गया है, 5 आदमी बढ़ गया है, तो जो खाना बचा हुआ था, जो राशन पानी बचा हुआ था, अब वो कितने दिन चलेगा। तो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू लेस देन we have to subtract 5 days in this 30 days provision because 120 men has used that provision in 5 days. Here we will solve this by systematic order. At the end of 5 days, at the end of 5 days, 5 days के बाद, ठीक है, number of men will be 120 plus 5, 5 men are joined. 5 men are joined. 5 men are joined. The total number of men is therefore total number of men is equal to 120 plus 5, that is 125. Now we will write at the question. Therefore, let they can sustain on the remaining provision, on the remaining provision for X days. They of the 125 men. Thus we have number of men provision 4. Number of men is firstly in first case 120, but the provision is for 25 days because the remaining provision we are calculating for the remaining provision. A remaining provision is for 25 days. 25 days के लिए 5 दिन यूज हो चुका है, 25 दिन के लिए था, और बाद में कितना हो गया 125 हो गया, 5 लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे, अब कितना दिन चलेगा, X days चलेगा. It is an inverse variation. Clearly it is an inverse variation. Why? Because the number of men is increased, then the number of days will be decreased because we have a limited provision. So multiply, therefore 125 multiply X. 25 5 ja 25 5 ja and 5 X is equal to 4. Therefore they can sustain 24 days